Cool. Finally got ONO 3D printer delivered today. They've asked if I can do a little unboxing, so we can have a look and see what we've got. This has been like 2 years in the waiting, I think, possibly over, since the Kickstarter campaign. Oh. What have we got? Ugh. Really nasty packing peanut. Let's have a look. Got so first of all, got some opaque solid cream resin. That's quite good. Got the QR code for scanning in the app. Cool. Another one. Guess I'll be making some prints in solid cream, I guess. What else have we got? Oh, another one. Anything else in there? Oh, let me have a guess. Oh, opaque, glossy, firm, bright red. Oh, that's cool. And then, oh, another one. Firm, glossy red. In honesty, this was such a long time ago, I have no idea what I actually ordered. So we'll guess. Something like that. These packing peanuts have disintegrated. And then, the main event. The ONO smartphone 3D printer. This packaging, I think, oh, this is really a right mess with all this. Okay. All the different resins. So obviously I've got these two here. So we have a lot of QR code stuff going on. Right, let's have a look. Let's get this out. Have a look at what we have got. How is it coming out? Look at the mess of packing peanuts I made. They're the naffest packing peanuts. Goodness me. Okay, right, what have we got? ONO, the smartphone 3D printer. I'll end up getting all this dust and crap all over the printer. Let's have a look. Okay, so it looks like I've already got dust and crap in here anyway. What have we got? Got bits and pieces in here. So we've got some stickers. An instruction book. Some foam. I guess we'll find out the reason for that. Foam's got holes in it. And some stickers. I guess I'll stick them somewhere, maybe. And then guess this is the printer itself. Nothing else in the box. Awesome. So it's got a little message on the back of it. Dear Becca, thank you. Thank you because you made it happen. You believed in a simple idea and you turned it into a worldwide campaign that will reshape and innovate the manufacturing industry. So thank you for having the patience, the vision, and for giving us your support throughout the whole campaign. You are the founding community of a product that is the first of its kind, the backbone of not only a project, but of a dream, our dream. You are the first one to own an ONO 3D printer. You are now the ambassadors of a new technology that can only be perfected with your help. Even the best products when first introduced in the market might still need improvements. So please take the time to study the different uses of your printer and give us your feedback, so that we can address it and provide you with the best experience possible. We owe the success of ONO to you. And then we've got a whole bunch of signatures. I presume these are all the people on the ONO team. We've got some instructions on here. So 8-step instructions, it's pretty simple. USB there. Right, let's see if we can get into it. How does this come off? Don't want to break the... Oh man. Oh no, all good. Oh, there we go. Right, that's cool. Cool. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, we've got bags and things there. It's covered in shmoo now. I don't really want to open it because of all the dusty crap that's around here. Let's have a look. It's in our little ONO bag. Got ONO written on it. Presume we've got a cable of some sort and things. What have we got? We've got a spout. I presume that's to do with pouring the resin in. We've got... Oh, I imagine this is for releasing... Yeah. So this is for releasing the print from the print bed, I guess. I guess it's called a bed. Don't know. The bit that lifts up anyway. Not an expert on these things. The charging cable, or the cable but charging and working, I guess. So it provides power through, and then obviously it works off of there. If you follow the campaign, it works off the headphone socket. An Allen key, I guess that's for something. And then, some rubber gloves because resin. It's not nice. Is that it? Is that everything in there? Yeah, cool. Well, that was the unboxing, so yeah, we'll have a look inside. Let's have a look. Just be careful. Oh, cool, so that's like the build plate, I guess. Looks like it's removable. Yep. And then so that's the surface there. And then your phone goes underneath. The only thing I haven't found yet are the films that go... Where are they? Stickers. Maybe I missed something in the box. No. Interesting. Alright, have to see where they might be. Okay. Well, that was the unboxing. Who knows if I can use it yet because I can't find the films. But yep, that's about it.
A few moments later.
Right, just quickly, I found inside the resins are the films. Look. Wrapped around the resin bottle. So I'm guessing, yeah, this is the printing thing. So, not sure how protected that's been now. I mean, obviously it's pretty dirty and covered with stuff, but I can clean that off, and hopefully that should be everything. Right, that was the unboxing, and I'll probably do a couple of videos on stuff that I printed.